back. Sarah Boone. She, of course, is the defendant in the Suitcase murder trial. She's supposed to be back in court next week for a motion hearing before her trial, which was set for about 30 days from, just over 30 days from now. She's supposed to be going to trial. You remember, she's ripped through several attorneys. 8 attorneys have withdrawn from her case, so she was forced to represent herself. So the last few times she's been in court, she has been arguing her own motions, handwritten motions from jail, and she's been working through the system as best she can. Well, today, things have changed. It appears as though she has hooked another attorney. A motion for a continuance was filed in Florida for Sarah Boone, and on behalf of Sarah Boone, saying that defense counsel has been retained, and this person has met with the defendant 4 times at the Orange County Jail, and during these meetings, the defendant has disclosed potential exculpatory evidence. They're setting the table for this to get kicked down the, kick the can down the old street here a little bit longer and continue this case once again. So is she going to actually stand trial a little over a month from now? We'll have to wait and see. If indeed she has retained counsel, one would think a continuance would be necessary. Michael Jaffer is with us. Michael, the judge has had enough of this, and she put out this plea. I need an attorney. You want to be famous, you'll be on court TV. She even made a flyer, and it appears as if someone has answered the call and has met with her and has filed this motion for a continuance. If indeed another attorney shows up and says, I am representing Sarah Boone, the judge is going to have to push this, correct?
Yeah, I mean, look at Court TV, you know, being so powerful that even attorneys are taking cases that they maybe otherwise would have rejected, right? Very proud of Court TV, but yeah, the judge is going to have to give her, she's going to have to give her way on this. It has all the upsides and none of the downsides, and here's why. It's not like Sarah Boone is sitting on an island sipping Mai Tais, awaiting her trial and just trying to push and delay the ball so she can continue her vacation. She's in custody, right? So it's not like there's any difference, you know. She's either guilty or she's not. If she's guilty, she's already basically serving a sentence of a person who's guilty of this, right? Giving her an attorney, especially when an attorney has showed up for four times and is filing motions, it has all the upsides for the judge. Judge doesn't want to have Sarah Boone defend herself and turn this case into a circus, and then, you know, come back on appeal and say, well, I had an attorney, you didn't let me have an attorney. No, the judge wants her to have an attorney and lose the right way, right? And this, by the way, this case is an imminently winnable case. Not winnable in terms of Sarah Boone is going to walk out and get a not guilty, but winnable in terms of it could be dropped down to voluntary manslaughter. I mean, this has voluntary manslaughter written all over it, right? So, I mean, an attorney could really do right by Sarah Boone and the system and make even the judge happy. So she should have an attorney. If she doesn't fire this attorney, great. If she fires this attorney, honestly, for some reason, I feel like if the judge allows Sarah Boone to postpone her trial, have her attorney, and then she fires this attorney, I think she's done no matter. I don't care if the Supreme Court justice retires and wants to defend Sarah Boone. At that point, the judge is going to tell her you're done.
Yeah. Michael Jaffer, thank you. We need a break. Stay with us. More ahead. Busy Friday on Court TV.